Welcome back, friends. We have seen representing entity set with composite attributes. And when we write entire instructor schema, we ignore multi-valued attributes. So representing entity set with multi-valued attribute using a schema. We'll see now. A multi-valued attribute M of an entity E is represented by a separate schema. That's why when we have written the schema for entity instructor, we have ignored multi-valued attribute. The reason is the multi-valued attribute of an entity is represented by a separate schema. For example, a multi-valued attribute M of an entity E is represented by a separate schema, that is EM. Schema EM has attributes corresponding to primary key of E, that is entity E, and attribute corresponding to multi-valued attribute M. So when we write a schema for EM, entity with multi-valued attribute, then the attribute corresponding to primary key of entity and attribute corresponding to multi-valued attribute M are considered together. For example, multi-valued attribute phone underscore number of instructor, phone underscore number, which is represented in curly braces as a notation indicating multi-valued attribute of instructor, is represented by a schema, that is instructor underscore phone equal to primary key of entity, that is ID, comma phone underscore number. So instructor multi-valued attribute M and instructor E is represented as primary key of instructor and corresponding multi-valued attribute M. So we are representing multi-valued attribute phone underscore number of instructor as following schema. That is, schema is instructor underscore phone equal to ID comma phone number. Each now multi-valued attribute will have more than one value. So each value of multi-valued attribute is mapped to a separate tuple of relation on schema EM. It means for each value of multi-valued attribute, there will be separate tuple, separate row of that relation schema as EM. For example, an instructor entity with primary key 22222 and phone numbers as 4567890 as a single number and another number 1234567. These are mapped to separate tuples as below. First is primary key of entity, that is 22222, comma first value of phone number, that is 456 7890 as a single record, single tuple, one row. And second row is again primary key of entity E, that is double two double two two, comma second number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 as a separate row, second row, separate tuple. So this is how the multi-valued attribute M of an entity E is represented by a separate schema EM, where the primary key of entity E and corresponding attribute of multi-valued attribute M are written, and they are represented as separate tuple of the relation. Example, instructor entity with primary key double two double two two and two phone numbers 4567890 and 1234567 maps to two separate tuples with primary key double two two 4567890 as a single row and double two two comma 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 as a another row.